Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert your full name on Asana Rebel account. So first we're going to go to the Asana Rebel app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on activity found at the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on profile section on the top left corner. Then here we're going to click on account. So as you can see, there's the first name and last name. We're going to click on the first name first. So we're going to insert your first name and click on save. Then next we're going to insert our last name. We're going to write our last name and click on save. So that's how you add your name. It's a very important step for account creation as well as your personalized experience. So that's how you do it. You guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such a helpful fitness app. So make sure to download it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.